Stop throwing those clothes away. I promise you, I bet you have everything in your wardrobe already to make 2020 your best dress year ever. Don't believe me? I'll prove it to you. I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my upcoming projects. And I know that you have some sweaters in your closet. Sweaters, I mean, it's that season, or at least when I'm recording this. And if it's not that season, you probably have some sweaters that you're thinking about getting rid of. Don't get rid of them. I'm gonna show you what you could do with them. Okay, so if you have two sweaters, try cutting it diagonally and turning it into one sweater, and then you can take the opposite sides and have two sweaters, but it makes a super cute two-tone sweater. And then again, with some more ribbed sweaters, you can make a strappy tank top with buttons, super cute. Or you could even make a bodysuit. Amazing with these rib sweaters, so good. And say for instance you have a sweater that doesn't quite fit you right in the stomach area. Try taking it out. You could just cut it up the sides and add a zigzag stitch on the edges to add like a lettuce hem effect on the edges. Or you can even add a zipper on the side so that you can unzip it as much as you like. This is such a simple effect, but it does the trick. And what if you have an ugly Christmas sweater party to go to, but you don't like ugly Christmas sweaters? I don't like ugly Christmas sweaters, so why not make some not so ugly Christmas sweaters? Try taking a sweater, and these are not even only for ugly Christmas sweaters. Take the sweater and cut an opening in it and turn it under, add the elastic, and you have an off-the-shoulder sweater. And then again with another sweater, you could cut the arms off and cut the cuff off and add an organza puffy sleeve. Yes, so good. And I can only imagine what this would look like if it weren't a Christmas sweater. And then if you have a sweater and a blazer, why not combine the two for an amazing effect? And speaking of blazers, I know you've got at least one blazer, or like the title says, you could thrift flip it. Just head on over to your local thrift store and grab a blazer, grab some lace, something that has lace on it. Add the two together and you have Camila Cabello's over $2,000 blazer for change in comparison. And it'll be exactly how you like it. All right, so you may not have access to dress shirts. If you do, if you know there's a men's closet in your house somewhere, you might want to just sneak on in there and just, you know, borrow a few. Otherwise, you can head on over to your thrift store like I do and get some men's dress shirts. They're some of my favorite things to upcycle because you could do really simple things like this crop men's dress shirt. It's a plaid shirt. All I did was cut it across the bottom at my desired crop length, turned it under, and voila. Or if you're more advanced, you can use your creativity and cut them up in all sorts of ways. I just love how versatile a men's dress shirt can be. And for this one, I cut it up, figured it out, and I ended up making a super amazing bow blouse that I absolutely love. And then you can definitely take your dress shirts and cut them into strips and use a little vinegar solution and pleat them and add them to different things, like this one where the pleats were added to a dress to make this amazing dress. And I've done this several times before, and I didn't say this before, but all of the links to the full tutorials are in the description box. Trust me, there is a link to everything that I'm showing you in this video. And you can also take those strips and just simply gather them rather than making pleats, and then add them to like an underskirt or underslip and make an amazing skirt like this one. Or you can use more of the shirt area part and just simply turn it into a woman's wrap blouse. I really like how this one turned out with that tiered skirt. Perfect, they're perfect together. And then for those hot summers, you can actually turn that men's dress shirt into a bra top. This one is super cute, pink. Yes, I found it in the men's department, but it is so amazing turned into a bra top with the cute little frills on the back. Right, now I know that you have some t-shirts in your wardrobe, and I have a ton of t-shirt ideas for you. I'll link a whole nother t-shirt video here, but just for the recent ones, I'm gonna tell you, you can take that t-shirt and crop it and then add some strings up the front to ruche it So that's a super cute way to update a t-shirt. And as well, like I was saying before, if you have a t-shirt that you feel is too tight in the stomach area, go ahead and shred it on the side, stretch it out, and instead of it looking like it's being stretched, it is giving you more room. And so I just think that is a super cool effect on the sides. And you can also add some grommets or eyelets on the side and lay some shoestring in there, and that is a really, really cool effect to give you a little bit more room in the stomach area. And I want to welcome all of our new subscribers. Welcome to the Blueprint DIY family. You guys know that I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers before the end of the year. So you guys keep hitting that subscribe button, and please keep sharing these videos on your other social media so that people know all of the good stuff that's happening on this channel. So do you guys have pants in your wardrobe? I'm sure you may have a couple pair at least, but these were actually men's pants, and I took them and I turned them into women's pants. And that doesn't have anything to do with the button situation. It just means that I took them from the pleated front and made them a flat front, like form-fitting type of pant. Super, super cute. And then if you have any of those wide leg Adidas pants, or you come across them in the thrift store like I always do, and you want to make them skinny, you can. Just take a couple of stitches in right next to those stripes, and voila, you can have skinny track pants. And then you can actually take some of your other pants and make them more sporty by just simply adding a little elastic into that bottom hem of the pants. Now you've made your pants into joggers. I think that is a super amazing way to make some just regular pants look a little bit more fun. And then, you know, those old lady elastic waist pants. Like, I'm saying old lady, but like we all like elastic waist pants because like they're really, really comfortable. But in the summertime, why not turn them into shorts? I took 4 different type of pants like that and turned them into different shorts varying in lengths. First, you can cut them off and gather that bottom part and make it kind of a ruffle on the bottom in varying different lengths depending on, you know, how you want to wear them. You can wear them more like culottes like these, or you can wear them a little bit more like Bermuda shorts like these. And then if you're really feeling frilly, you can take that and make it a smaller frill on a much shorter short. I think these are super cute and just like a really beachy type of short. And then you can also take that bottom part, just make a simple hem at the bottom, and take the rest of it and make a belt, add some of it at the top, and make them paper bag waist shorts with a bow belt. These are so amazing. And speaking of old lady clothes, you may not have any of these in your wardrobe. If not, you know, I got mine from the thrift store. But if you do, you know those 2-piece sets that you'll find a lot. I find them quite a lot at the thrift store. Those matching sets. Why not take them and put them together and turn them into a 1-piece? Here's 2 examples. One, this yellow one turned out so good, but it's super simple. You're basically just combining the top to the bottom. So simple. And if it doesn't match, add a little gathering in the back, and voila, you have a jumpsuit perfect for the summer. And then for this second one, it was a little bit more complicated, but it's basically the same thing, except I turned the top upside down to make it have wide straps and then a little opening in the back. This is such a contrast to what it started out to be, but I absolutely love it. Then once again with these stretchy pants, if you have a super big pair, or if you find a super big pair, why not turn it into a dress? I really needed a dress last minute, so I took these pants and turned them into a dress. A pair of pants could make a perfect little mini dress. And then what if you have one of those kind of ugly old lady blouses? Don't worry, even those ugly things can be turned into something amazing. This is a perfect example. You guys picked this on Instagram. You picked the ugliest blouse when I went to the thrift store, and I turned it into this multi-faceted, because you can wear it forward or backward, and I just love how this turned out. And it actually wasn't that complicated. You just have to use a little imagination, and I know you can get it done. You guys may have noticed that we have a new background, and I'm super excited. And you guys know that I have a hard time not sharing the things that I'm excited about, but it's not completely finished. When it's finished, I will give you guys a complete tour. However, if you are part of my members only group, meaning you hit that join button, that means that you got on yesterday, you got a tour, a sneak peek tour of everything that I've done so far. So if you are a member, definitely go check that out. And if you're not a member, what are you waiting for? Consider joining my members only group. You will not regret it. And did you know you can even take your old clothes and make accessories out of them? Yes, you can. If you have an old pair of leather pants or anything leather or suede, think about, instead of throwing it away, think about turning it into a handbag. We all like our leather and faux leather handbags, and this is a super simple one, just basically just a rectangle and a circle and 2 wooden handles, and made this bag, and I absolutely love it. And then you can also take a pair of old earrings, because a lot of people throw out their accessories as well. Take a pair of old circle earrings and a piece of fabric, wrap it around the earrings, and then you have a super cute pair of fabric earrings. And imagine how these would look with silk. So good. And you can even take old buttons, vintage buttons, and your old jewelry and make hair clips. For this one, take some vintage buttons and glue it onto a hair clip, or some rhinestones onto a hairpin, or even a part of an old piece of jewelry. You can glue that to a hair clip, and you have tons of accessories right there. Now we've come to my favorite, and I'm almost sure that it's you guys' favorite thing to upcycle as well, or at least to see me upcycle, and that is jeans and all things denim. Yes, if you have some jeans, you can do so many things with them, and I'm pretty sure you have something denim in your wardrobe, and I'm almost pretty sure you have something denim that you're meaning to get rid of, but you don't have to get rid of it. You can make 2-tone mixed jeans. If you have 2 pairs, different colors, just cut them right down the middle, up the front and up the back, put them together, and you have a really cool pair of 2-tone jeans. And you might be saying, no, I'm getting rid of them because they're too small. I applaud you for that. Don't hold on to things when they don't fit. However, I'm gonna show you that you can make them fit. I have 4 ways to take out your jeans when they have become too small. For these, I took the Adidas stripes off of a pair of track pants and added it to the side of jeans. Yes, to make my Adidas Levi combination. I can't remember what we decided to call these. I think it was Levi dyes. I don't know. That sounds weird, but they are amazing. And then going along with that same trend of taking the track pants, I took a pair of snap up track pants and put them on the side of the pants to take them out. And these are so vintage. Like, they have such a vintage feel to them that I just absolutely love. And then once again, if you have 2 pairs of jeans, why not make them 2-tone in a different way? Use the outside of one and the inside of another so that you can make them fit your size. And lastly, I even took a skirt. If you have a flowy skirt, take some of that and put it on the sides to expand your jeans to your current size and look amazing. You can even take a denim or chambray top and some lightweight denim pants and combine them like we did before and turn them into a jumpsuit. This one is amazing because it looks like it's a shirt and bottom, but it's actually connected. So it's doing a little thing in there. You guys are gonna really enjoy that tutorial. But yes, you can make a one piece, and I've had subscribers send me their photos of them making these, and oh, I love how they turned out. So you can make it too. And then what if your jeans being too small is not the problem? What if they're super big? Don't worry about it. I got you, sis or bro. Take those jeans and cut them down the front right next to the zipper and cross them over. Add another button. You can get the denim buttons from Walmart or your local fabric store, and then just sew that open part closed and you're done. That project was truly super simple, and those jeans are amazing. And then you can even turn it into a skirt. Just cut off the leg parts and you can finish the end or don't finish the end. It's denim. That's why I love doing denim. And then what do you do with those leg pieces that you just cut off to make that skirt? Why not turn it into a bag? I absolutely love this drawstring bag that we use the graphic from a t-shirt to really make it pop, and then a chain as the drawstring. This is definitely a next level project that you can do with your old denim. And then what if you have some extra pockets, denim pockets lying around? I love denim pockets. Nothing says jeans more than the pockets. And why not take the pockets and add them to some old cargo pants? I have these old military flight school pants, and I added these pockets just to create the most amazing look. And you can even use denim pockets onto other different types of clothing to cover holes or just to elevate it. Do whatever you like. Denim pockets are a lifesaver. Okay, maybe not a lifesaver, but they're amazing. And then just to take a pair of those stretchy jeans and just make them amazing, you can add a zipper up the front. And this is a project that I did for my members only group. So if you become a member, you'll get this tutorial. It's linked below, but it's only for members. So definitely become a member. And you can also take your jeans and just simply cut slits down the side and take some ribbon through the slits down the sides and make amazing statement jeans. And if you have a denim jacket, why not take the bottom of one of those dress shirts that you cut off? A plaid one would be amazing, and connect it to the bottom of a denim jacket just to make something that is just so different and so you. And what if you have a pair of denim overalls that you don't want anymore? Why not make a denim tank top bib? I don't know what we decided to call this thing, but I found these super huge overalls and just simply added a ruffle of another fabric to them, and it turned out so good. So try this project. This is definitely something that is just super simple, but it is definitely a statement. All right, say you just want to go wild with your denim. I definitely got you. I have some projects just for you. This one is actually super simple, no sewing involved, but it is a big impact. Take some of those curtain grommets and add them to jeans that may be too big, definitely too big, and loop your belt through those. So good. And then what if you have skinny jeans but you want to turn them into bell bottoms? Bell bottoms are back, and it's so easy to take a pair of jeans and add some of the denim from another pair of jeans that you might have made them into shorts, add it to the bottom, and turn them into an amazing pair of bell bottoms. And what if you just want to go all out? Try taking several pairs of pants, layering them on top of each other, adding a different color side panel, adding a top ruffle to make them paper bag waist, and scrunching them all up with a belt. Yes. You guys love this project. I love it too. And if you haven't tried this project, definitely give this one a try. If you at all like street fashion like I do, definitely try this project, and I know that you're gonna love it. All right, so now that we've done 50 million denim projects, we're probably gonna have a ton of denim scraps laying around. Take all those denim scraps and grab a jacket and some pants and throw it all up through your sewing machine and make it into the Dolce & Gabbana jacket and jeans that Cardi B wore. I have a whole tutorial dedicated to this outfit. You can do this one. And the great thing about this one is that mine doesn't look exactly like the Dolce & Gabbana one. I didn't intend on it looking like that, and yours definitely doesn't have to look like mine. So you take what you have, and I've seen on Instagram you guys have sent me pictures of you making this, and I absolutely love the individuality that goes into upcycles, doing thriftless. Everybody's is different. Nobody's is exactly the same. So I just really don't want you guys to get discouraged and say, oh, that project looks so hard. Nah, we are going to get these projects done in 2020. This is going to be our best dress year ever, and we're going to take it to another level. I hope you guys are ready. If you're scared, I don't care. Do it anyway. You know that's our motto here. Be afraid and do it anyway. And we are going to take 2020 by storm. I hope you guys are ready. And definitely let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite, if you can even pick just one. If not, make me a whole list. Which ones were your favorite? Which ones do you plan on doing in 2020? And definitely subscribe so you don't miss any of what comes next. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.